Want to remove a swear word or words from your video? I'm gonna show you how to do it in this tutorial with Lumafusion. Let's go! Right now, right here, I got a clip that I have one word that are inappropriate, put that way. Now the way you remove a single word right here, I have a word here. Two strategy, okay? Either you remove it or you modify it. There's only two ways, okay? Now we want to do the second way, to modify it. The reason why we have swear word in movie is because what? It's create a dramatic, okay? Create drama, okay? Emotion, human emotion. So that's why we want to keep some of that. But since our video is supposed to be YouTube safe, right? So we have to sanitize it, a wider audience. So if we have our video to monetize as well, so we want to monetize our video if we want to go that path, right? That's the reason why we want to remove a coarse language. Right now I have a clip that has been removed already. A word has been removed, okay? So this is how I do it. I did a let me zoom out a little bit. So there's a word right here in here, right? That are the sticking point. Now I have lowering the EQ and I replace the EQ in there with a sound effect. So I completely remove it. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, go to sound and effect, sound right here. Open the graphic equalizer. See the graphic equalizer there? Now I did a keyframe, okay, some keyframe right there, and where it has a problem, then back to normal. Okay, so the one in the middle is the problem audio. So I just lower that, boom, right there, and up again. Okay, so normal audio and back to normal. So we use a keyframe to do this, to lowering the effect of that coarse language. Then what I did was I replaced it with a sound effect right here. Okay, you can have your own different sound effect if you want, but that's how I did it. Okay, I just remove quickly, spotted that part. When you do your editing, make sure you have your marker. Okay, have your marker there somewhere. Then you will know, hey, it's time to, at that point, please remove, okay, that naughty part out. My name is Driver Chow, I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new to my channel. Also, check out my advanced playlist on Lumafusion. There's a lot of great stuff there for you to check it out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.